Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Today we're going to be visiting Ryan West Industries interior products. So for this video we're starting out with the ceramic interior detailer. Pretty straightforward. This is interior detail spray to quickly clean up any dust, fingerprints, things of that nature. For light cleaning on the interior, touching up. It is ceramic infused. You see it's a nice white color. Yeah, there's not much to say about it really. Let me show you guys the instructions here. So, instructions to shake well. They say that in other bottles. Avoid direct sunlight and hot surfaces. Apply it to leather, plastic dash, and trim pieces. Basically, spray it on, wipe it off, and buff it. And it's pretty simple, right? If you ever used any interior product before, you know how it goes. So. It's really not going to be a lot to this video. Basically, we're going to show how it is in my wife's car. She never cleans her car. I always clean the outside of it for her, but not the inside. The inside is a mess. So I'm going to clean off her door panel. We'll see how good this stuff works on that. The leather serum plus ceramic. This is a leather dressing product. I'll use that in my car because I've got leather seats. But that's going to be for another video. Anyways, let's get over there and see how this stuff does. Alright, so here it is. Open up the door, take a closer look. You can see all the staining from the rain and all that, dust. All kinds of grossness in here. This is fabric, so we're not going to touch that. That'll be another time. But yeah, we're just going to see how this stuff does on here and just clean it up a little bit, you know. Make it at least look a little bit nicer. So, it says shake well. Make sure we do that. Spray it on the towel, get it nice and soaked. And it's got a nice leather scent, I guess you'd call it. Ooh, that's cleaned up nicely. Door handle. Okay. I'm going to flip it to the dry side. Buff off the excess. And it leaves a nice matte finish. Not too dark, not too glossy. Give it a nice natural sheen. Make sure you get these buttons. Alright, that's all there is to it. Take you in for a closer look. See, it's got a nice satin sheen to it. Matte satin finish. We don't see all that staining nastiness anymore. All the plastic looks nice and clean, save for in here because I didn't go in there. I don't want to get all over her sunglasses. And there's this dirty fabric, but yeah, pretty good. I've got no complaints. See, the inside's really gross. Let's hit this real quick and just see what a difference that makes. Look at that, night and day. Pretty good stuff. But I mean, yeah, it's pretty straightforward, really. I mean, there's not much to it, right? Anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts. But yeah, that's all it is, guys. There's not much to it. I mean, interior detailer is pretty straightforward. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. Cleans the plastics up nicely. And you know what? Let's just see how it does here real quick. This isn't much different from interior plastic, right? This gets dirty all the time. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, you got some ceramic UV protection on there as well. no complaints. What this reminds me of is this Turtle Wax ceramic plus graphene inside job. It's an interior detailer. This stuff's pretty good. I like it. But I mean, video's not about that. It's about this. I've made a video about that before. But yeah, Ryan West Industries interior detailer. Pretty solid interior cleaner. It's not greasy and oily feeling. Buffs off nicely. Super easy to use. Not streaky. I mean, what more could you ask for, right? But that's all I got for this video, guys. This is a pretty quick one, so I appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I appreciate each and every one of you. Other than that, of course, leave the video a like and comment down below, but you guys keep it clean. Have a good one.